Hi, this is Randy Wykoff, the Dean of the College of Public Health at East Tennessee State University, and I'm pleased to provide the COVID-19 pandemic update with data accurate through May 26, 2022. I'm going to continue trying to keep these updates very brief, though I'm adding a couple of statistics this week on Tennessee. Globally, we continue to see the number of deaths going down. It doesn't appear to be turning around just yet, which is good news. And it's at the lowest point it has been since very early in the pandemic in March 2020. So we hope that this is a long-term trend, but only time will tell. Over 6 million deaths worldwide, probably much higher than that, and still running about 10,000 deaths a week. So the pandemic certainly hasn't gone away just yet. In the United States, we are seeing this increase in the number of cases, increase in the number of hospitalizations, but fortunately not yet an increase in the number of deaths. And in fact, we're at this lowest point we have been since last summer, June, July low point. So we hope to continue to see it going down. Of course, we're not sure, definitely. Over 1 million deaths in our country, about 260 deaths every day. If you look at where it's been over the last 5 weeks, we saw it start up in the Northeast in terms of cases. It's not spreading really quickly, but you can see it's progressively getting darker around much of the country. So our part of the country, sort of the South and the Midwest, has been relatively spared so far. But if the progression continues, we'll see it affect us coming up. A viewer this week asked for more information on Tennessee and our region. So if you look at cases in Tennessee, it looks like the U.S. with this increasing number of cases, hospitalizations, a slow increase. And perhaps even with deaths, we may be seeing an increase. It's a little bit hard to interpret because of the way it's reported, but if you sort of follow this trend, it looks like it may be coming back up. So certainly something to keep an eye on. The last time I reported on data from the ballot health system was March 31st. If I update that now, they provided some useful information yesterday. It's at 45 hospitalizations. So it looks like they're leveling off somewhere around 50. That's clearly not over. It's not done. 50 hospitalizations for any disease is a pretty serious thing, but we'll keep our eye on it, whether it's going to come back up or not. The bottom line right now is nobody knows. There is a new variant that's highly transmissible, but we don't know what that's really going to mean in the long term. So until next week, that was a quick update on the pandemic. Obviously, there's a lot more information on the website. If you know anyone who'd like to be added to the mailing list, please let us know. As always, I'd like to thank Dara Young for editing, producing, and posting this video. And if you have any questions, I'll do my best to answer them. I've included one question this week in the update. I'm going to try to address another question that I got separately. But if you have any questions about what I've said here or any question about the pandemic, please let me know. I look forward to hearing from you. Thanks a lot. Best wishes.